Good morning, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? Let's go to Exploring. What you guys got to anything for questions? Anything say? Well, right now, you guys, we just maybe packing up there. I don't know. Still have to talk to it. I think we are heading home today, but so right now, you guys, we are at the most confusing pool, so we finally found it. So that's what we are doing. Going swimming. You reading a book? You reading a book? You reading a book? Yeah, you reading a book. Some quesadillas. Grace is playing in the park, you guys. Where did she go? She's over there somewhere. Underneath the slide. Oh, right there. Yep, I see. So right now, you guys, we just got home, and I'm just unloading the car while Rachel's putting Silas and Grace to bed. So that's what's going on, you guys. I'm getting today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.